Make sure to send to the end. If you make one simple mistake, you can actually destroy the device that the sensor is reading from. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have problem with camshaft position sensor 1 or 2 on bank 1, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, how to know which one it is guys, and actually it's a little bit tricky because you will need to have 2 sensors, but actually they're hidden. Stay with us, we'll explain about that, how to get to it, how to remove it, common mistakes people make, and something that can actually cause quite a bit of trouble if you're not careful. So let's go ahead and explain that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on that dot charger. We'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your dot charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have here, 2018 Dodge. This is specifically the 3.6 engine that's very popular on dot chargers. Okay, this is right here. Now what bank 1 means, because you get the code and at the end you have bank 1. You guys have 2 cylinder heads. Let's go ahead, remove the upper engine cover. It attaches with 4 rubber bushings, so you just grab and pull it straight up. Okay, and they attach right here. You can see to those posts right there. Let's just show on the back side so you can see. Those are the rubber bushings there guys, you can see. Okay, just like that. So when you come here, this is a V6 engine. Bank 1 means cylinder head number 1. But if you look at your engine guys, you have dual variable timing. You have 2 camshaft position actuators. Those are the one responsible for the variable timing. So that means that the engine computer needs to know the exact position of each camshaft at any time. In order to do that, it needs to have 2 camshaft sensors per cylinder head, one for the exhaust camshaft, one for the intake. But now you look at it and you're like, okay, how do I know where my camshaft position sensor is located? And I need to have 2 of them. And if you look right here, you're going to notice that this device right there, that's your camshaft position sensor. But you need 2 of them, right? Now there is a trick. If you look at that dude, he has 4 wires. Most camshaft position sensors will have only 3 wires. This one has 4 due to the fact that that sensor here guys is actually 2 sensors integrated in one. So unfortunately you have to replace the sensor if one of them goes out. We have a special video that explains how to test them. It will take you only a couple minutes to find out if yours is working or not. So how do you guys remove it? Pretty simple. Right here we're going to get a torque sturdy star looking bit. Okay, and we're going to pre-loosen that bolt. But before we do that, right here the connector, check this thing out. That connector, you pull the red thing to the back. Okay, like that. Now grab that connector, never pull for the wires because you can pull them out of the connector and later they will not communicate. Push it in to compress the weather strip, press on the back, okay, and disconnect it right there. So torque sturdy, star looking bit. Let's go ahead and remove that bolt now here. Alright, working on that one now. Great. Now the sensor comes in an angle, and if you pay attention guys, that sensor right here, it's actually 2 sensors in one. Check this thing out. Let's get one napkin quick, okay, paper towel, so you can see. This is the sensor. Now where is camshaft position sensor 1? If you look at it, it's on this side, on the exhaust side. So when the sensor is that way, installed in the car, okay, it will be that sensor right here is camshaft position sensor 1 on the exhaust camshaft. Camshaft position sensor B or 2, bank 1 will be this one right here. But unfortunately when it fails, you have to replace the whole device. If you want to see how to test that camshaft position sensor, we have the complete video that will teach you how to do that. Never get a magnet close to here, guys. Anything magnetic, such as with strong magnetic field. Sometimes you can have those like tools that magnetize screwdrivers, things like that, because you have two magnet wheels that the sensor reads from, and if you have strong magnetic field, they can get weak. Later will not be able to transfer the signal to the camshaft sensor, and you may end up having codes related to camshaft position sensor. Now this one was, I believe, P0340 and maybe P0390, if I remember correctly. It was multiple ones, guys, but you get the idea. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help. Thank you for watching and see you next time.